If you're experiencing connection errors while trying to play Roblox, particularly error 2025, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to gaming smoothly. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing other websites or applications. If your connection is weak or unstable, try restarting your router or connecting to a different network. Step 2. Update Roblox. Make sure you have the latest version of Roblox installed. Open the Roblox app and check for any available updates. If there are updates, install them and restart the app to see if the error persists. Step 3. Clear browser cache. If you're playing Roblox in a web browser, clearing your browser's cache can help. Go to your browser settings, find the option to clear browsing data, and select cached images and files. After clearing the cache, restart the browser and try to access Roblox again. Step 4. Disable firewall/antivirus. Sometimes, firewall or antivirus settings can block Roblox. Temporarily disable your firewall or antivirus software and check if you can connect. If this resolves the issue, consider adding Roblox to the exceptions list in your security software. Step 5. Reinstall Roblox. If none of the previous steps work, try uninstalling and then reinstalling Roblox. Go to your device's settings, find Roblox in the applications list, and uninstall it. After that, download and install Roblox again from the official website. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the connection error and enjoy playing Roblox without interruptions. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Roblox support for further assistance.